Yo, what's up? It's your boy DTM. Here's everything you need in today's modern world to be physically fit. Before I start the video, let me tell you about Thriving in a Dying World. My brand new online class at my website, regenerateyourlife.org. 3-hour-long video, PDF, audio, closed caption for the hearing impaired, 100% money back guarantee. Go check it out. It's only 29 bucks. I'm practically giving it away. So there's a link down below for that. Now, check this out. I think that you really need a yoga mat. There's many reasons to stay flexible and to stay nice and stretched out. Yoga mat. These bands are absolutely incredible, incredibly useful for men and women. You can throw them in your travel bag and just keep yourself nice and fit and toned all year round, no matter where you are. Epic. All kinds of different awesome bands here. You can work the back with this baby. Bop, bop. Epic. And then I got the individual here. Here is a yoga strap for adjustments. Then of course, I really believe that a rebounder is absolutely essential. Keep that lymphatic system moving. Even rebounding about an hour before going to bed really helps to drain the brain of the evening toxins, you know? So you go to bed and your brain actually detoxifies better after a 10 or 15 or 20 minute rebounding session about an hour before bed. You don't want to do it right before bed because it kind of pumps you up. You need a little time to come back down. Next, these pull-up bars are absolutely epic right here. Very useful for many reasons, keeping the back strong, arms, stretching the arms. Next, well, I've got a massage table here, but last are the weights. And I've got the 20 pounders here. I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, and 40. And I'm about to go get some 50s from good old Walmart because I want to start doing some deadlifts and stuff in here. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Of course, the juicer and the good foods is helpful too, but that was just what I wanted to talk about, share some inspiration for fitness. So take good care of yourself. You can do it all at home and right here in the comfort of my own living room and fresh air and beautiful view. I'm able to stay fit year round. Awesome. Thank you. Check out Thriving in a Dying World and give me your feedback. God bless you.